People ask all the time, what's that noise? Is it bones crunching? Is it something cracking? Is it something breaking? And simply, it's a gas bubble popping. So what we've got is two joints, they join together and they've got a fluid inside. When you quickly stretch that joint, the fluid has a gas inside it that comes out of solution and pops. A bit like if you were to open a bottle of Coke and the bubbles come out of the fluid, it's the same sort of thing. And I've got a little video here that shows you with an MRI, when they separate the joint quickly, what that looks like. So what they did here was they got someone's finger and they held it on both ends and then did a quick pull. And inside that joint, just like the joints in your spine, shoulder, knees, ankles, you've got a lubricating fluid called synovial fluid inside that capsule. And as they quickly separated it, that gas bubble popped. So the noise itself is purely a gas bubble, but what it signifies is the joint's gone through a very quick stretch, and that's actually what makes the difference. So when we're adjusting your spine, we're not looking for a click, it's just a byproduct of what we're really achieving, which is getting a very fast movement through that joint to stretch the ligaments and muscles around it that has a therapeutic benefit.